Hello students, this is the second part of 7th chapter, Weather, Climate and Adaptations of Animals to Climate. In this video, we will learn about the polar regions and the tropical rainforests. Now, let us move into the chapter. Animal adaptations. Based on different climatic conditions, animals adapt or evolve to survive in these conditions. Example, polar regions. Polar bears have white fur, hence are not visible easily in the snow-white background. It safeguards them from their predators. Also beneficial for them in catching their prey. They are naturally provided with two thick layers of fur to shield them from extreme cold. Also, they possess a layer of fat under their skin. Generally, animals are adapted to survive in the conditions in which they live. ये सब हम जानते हैं. They have special features to protect themselves against the extreme cold or heat. For example, the polar regions are situated near the poles. That means North Pole and South Pole. Some well-known countries that belong to the polar regions are Canada, Greenland, Sweden, Alaska, Siberian region of Russia, and etc. All these are under the polar region. See this picture. The polar region on the earth. Alaska, Canada, Greenland, Norway, Sweden, Finland. Polar regions कहाँ पे होता है? See this picture. This is the पिक्चर ऑफ अर्थ. सेंटर में है इक्वेटर है. इक्वेटर की ऊपर और नीचे एक लाइंस है. दीज आर ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैप्रिकॉर्न एंड ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर. एंड टॉप में है आर्कटिक सर्किल, नीचे है अंटार्कटिक सर्किल है. ये आर्कटिक एंड अंटार्कटिक सर्किल्स आर नॉर्थ एंड साउथ पोल से. यहाँ पर एक्सट्रीम कोल्ड होता है. ओके, दीज आर कॉल्ड द पोलर रीजियंस. The polar regions present an extreme climate. These regions are covered with snow and it is very cold for most part of the year. And for 6 months the sun does not set at the poles, while for the 6 months the sun does not rise. In winters the temperature can be low as -37 degrees. See in this picture. These animals adapted to survive in the conditions at polar regions. The examples for these animals are leopard, seal, penguin, etc. All these animals are adapted to survive in the extreme cold in polar regions. And now we will learn about polar bears. We know polar bears have white fur so that they are not visible in snow-white background. And another important point is to protect them from extreme cold, they have two thick layers of fur and they also have a layer of fat under their skin. इसके स्किन के नीचे बहुत मोटा फैट लेयर होता है. इसकी वजह से उनको कोल्ड भी इतना नहीं लगती है. एंड पोलर बेयर इज ए गुड स्विमर. इट्स पास आर वाइड एंड लार्ज. And polar bears have strong sense of smell so that they can catch air prey for their food. We can also see the another animals, most popular animals, they are penguins. Also has a thick skin and a lot of fat to protect it from cold. From this we can understand that all animals have thick fat layers and thick fur to protect them from the extreme cold in the polar regions. See this picture. This is a Siberian crane. Siberian cranes must remain warm to survive. They migrate to warmer regions when winter sets in. They come back after the winter is over. Siberian crane that comes from Siberia to places like Bharatpur in Rajasthan and Sultanpur in Haryana and some wetlands of north east and some other parts of India. ये साइबेरियन क्रेन्स विंटर में वहाँ से माइग्रेट करके इंडिया आते हैं. इंडिया में कहाँ पर आते हैं? राजस्थान में भरतपुर इन राजस्थान एंड सुल्तानपुर इन हरियाणा एंड सम नॉर्थ ईस्ट प्लेसेस में भी ये माइग्रेट करके आते हैं. Next, the tropical rainforests. The tropical region has generally a hot climate because of its location around the equator. In winter, the temperatures are above 15 degrees Celsius, and during summers it may cross even 40 degrees Celsius. The climatic conditions in rainforests are highly suitable for supporting an enormous number and variety of animals and plants. The tropical region has generally hot climate है. क्यों? Because these are around the equator है. And इनका coldest temperature कितना है? 15 डिग्रीज होता है. And समर में इनके हाईएस्ट टेम्परेचर 40 डिग्रीज तक होता है. And tropical region areas में days and nights are almost equal in length है throughout the year. These regions get plenty of rainfall also. Some tropical rainforests are found in Western Ghats and Assam in India, Southeast Asia, Central America and Central Africa. Because of continuous warmth and rain, these regions supports wide variety of plants and animals. Okay, the major types of animals living in the rainforests are monkey, gorillas, tigers, elephants, leopards, lizards, snakes, etc. See this picture, tropical rainforests, the tropical region on earth. And यहाँ पर middle line है an equator, and above one is Tropic of Capricorn, and below one is Tropic of Cancer. And the area around the equator is called the tropical region, and there are so many rainforests, and these are called tropical rainforests. The climatic conditions in rainforests are highly suitable for supporting an enormous number and variety of animals, since the numbers are large. And there is a competition for food, some animals are adopted to get food not easily reachable. बहुत सारे animals tropical forest में रहते हैं, and these are have different types of food habits. Many tropical animals have sensitive hearing, sharp eyesight, thick skin, etc. This is about the tropical rainforests and adopted animals.